digital learning. The Digibasta is cost-effective tab coming with mobile learning app preloaded with 10 hours battery backup, a centralized database for digital content. This solution has changed the way students learn with its tablets and internet-based learning methods. In this day and age, tablet courses are by far the most convenient and effective manner for completing the school's syllabus. Also, it offers the solution to many issues we face in the education system currently. Human health effects due to carrying heavy backpacks, it can cause muscle spasms. Reoccurring cost on education materials, that is books, notebooks, wastage of papers, rote learning. In turn, Digibasta also offers digital platform to the students that provides interactive visual learning to make things easy for the students and provides a way for complete analysis of their regular performance, as well as students can track their progress by taking up tests regularly. This helps in planning better to improve their future performance.
Where paperless innovation is the new buzzword, where everything is digital, eliminating paper and saving the environment. We got a similar survey in our school and found out that 62% students suffer backpack injuries. 83% said that it is better and cheaper than a normal school bag. 89% said that Digibasta improves creativity and process of learning. 89% said that it is beneficial for students having special needs accordingly. 85% students said that it is more practical approach in education. As technology in workplace continues to evolve and be more widely used, Digibasta can significantly benefit the student community. It can help the students to develop IT skills, collaboration, creativity, and determination.
My role in this project is to streamline the task, basically to manage features in this tab, how data is being stored and transferred, and some important application in this educational tab.
I, being the project analyst, had found out after many surveys in our school that majority of students regarded Digibasta as the
by telling parents about the practical analysis of our Digibasta, which is only a one-time investment for their child's school life.
This Digibasta is a boon for children with special needs. It is a step towards making classroom more interactive and learning more experiential. बच्चों के इस बोझ का एक ही रास्ता